All right, check it out. We're gonna do a construction of rotation. All you need is your two favorite tools. What's that called? The compass and your protractor. All right, question number one, and this is the only question I'm doing, so pay attention close. We're gonna construct a rotation of ABC 90 degrees clockwise around point D. All right, so there's three key pieces of information there. 90 degrees, clockwise, and point D is our center of rotation. Okay, this is how it's done. Pay attention close. Make sure your protractor is right side up. That means the numbers are going in the right direction. All right, and what you're going to do is this. You're going to put this little target right here. You see this? That little dot right in the middle on your center of rotation, which is point D. And you're gonna line this line up with A. See how it's lined up? That means it's at 0 degrees. Bickety boom. What you're gonna do now is find the 90 degree mark on the top, okay? And you're just gonna mark it like so. See what I did there? Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is just draw a line. All right, hope you're following me here. Hope you're following me here. I'll just draw a line like, what a crappy line. Like so. Now that is not done yet. So now we know that A is 90 degrees away from this line. But what we have to do is move A from here to here. And what you do is this. You measure the distance between A and line D. Okay, you just use, remember, we can measure distance with this thing. Just measuring how far it is. Okay, oh, see, just measure how far it is. And then you just bring it over here. And you just draw it like so, okay? So you see what I did? So we know now that here, if I bring A all the way over here, also, this is gonna be our A prime, okay? So A prime is the same distance from D as A is from D, okay? Now the second thing, we gotta keep going. So now we're gonna do C. So once again, you're gonna find the center. D is gonna go in that little target right there. And you're gonna, that line is gonna shoot off at C. That means it's at 0 degrees, see? So C is at 0 degrees. Now we're gonna go to the 90 degree mark. Oh, we're going to the other question. I don't care, I'm bold like that. We mark 90. Remember, we're gonna use the outside here. Go over, draw your line from D to your point again, okay? And now what we're gonna do is measure the distance between C and that point. So let's see. We got C in this point, we measure the distance there. See, just measure that distance. You bring it around now. We're just gonna bring it around and we're gonna mark it right here, okay? See, so you start at C, measure that distance. Now this is the same amount away, okay? So C prime, once again, is the same distance away from D. Now it's just 90 degrees away from where it started. And we're gonna do that one more time with B. Ready? So line D up in that little center. That's our center of rotation. And we line B up with the line. See? Right there. That means B is at 0 degrees. I'm going to go to 90. Ooh, find 90. It's right here. That's it. Okay, it's another problem. Whatever. We're cool with it. And you just draw a line like so. Okay? Now we got to move B over. So we measure the distance between B and D. It's that far. Okay? So we're just going to move it around the center of rotation, and this is what we're going for. Boom. And this is where D prime is. All right, they're always on those lines. Now all I have to do is connect my 3 points. So I have A prime, B prime, and C prime. Let's connect those up. Bam, bam, bam. And now I got myself a sweet rotation. So this has moved 90 degrees. See, all these points have moved 90 degrees around point D. That's it. Remember to kiss your mother and tell you love her. Boom!